time to call Daddy. You're lucky. Your parents live off the grid, man.
For sure, YB.
Hey, boys. Yellow Bird, your daddy will be right here. Did you get the towels I sent? There was a sale down at the Deep Dollar Discounts. Your cousin works there part-time, and she gave me a discount off the discount. Isn't that so sweet? Oh, here comes Daddy.
Hey, son. Been real busy around here. Mama has a list of honeydews a mile long for me every day.
Shush you. Show him your Father's Day gift for me. Your daddy made the doggy eyes at me, and I just couldn't say no.
Meet Ruth, Marty, Wendy, Charlotte, Darlene, Wyatt, and little Jonah.
He named the possums after his favorite TV show. My favorite is Little Wyatt taking a nap in your daddy's hair.